Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm beside the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Bustamante. Happy newlywed. Congratulations to both of you. What will be your message or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Sir Patrick.
10 over 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yes,
Very
super energetic.
energetic.
Mabubuhay po
Kahit inato kayo.
ang katawang lupa niyo. Kahit malamig.
Very passionate sa
Kahit
kanyang
malamig,
work.
mag-iingat kayo.
Maraming salamat.
Magiging alive.
Thumbs up po tayo. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much Daddy Bran and Mommy MC for having me here for as your event host as we celebrate for Gianna Celine first birthday celebration. So what is your feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Bran.
First of all, thank you, Stanley, for being our MC in our first birthday of our baby, which is Gianna Celine. All I can say to Stanley's performance is really energetic, and he made the event lively, and
Malit bagay.
I hope you may consider Stanley for your events also. I'm also referring him in your event.
Yeah, same as me, I super adore and I'm so amazed to Stanley's performance tonight. He make everybody, energetic and follow all
You
the
make everybody
lively.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you Stanley for making my baby's birthday super amazing. Yun lang talaga. Thank you so much and sana mas marami ka pang client na mapasaya at sa mga mag-birthday pa.
and
We recommend
most
it,
of all,
Stanley.
he's affordable.
Yes,
That's the main thing.
that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Daddy MC. Daddy Bran, Mommy MC. Salamat po. Bye-bye. Alright, congratulations once again sa ating newlywed couple na si Earl at Crystal. So, how's the party? How's the program?
So, everything is nice, everything is smooth, so it's highly recommended if you want a really energetic event. So,
Yes,
thank you so much.
especially for Stanley and all the group. It's 5-star.
Huh? Hotel?
Thank you.
Hotel po.
No, it's for the
Oh,
energy.
alright! Congratulations! Alright, thank you po, Ma'am,
Thank you
sir. Okay, thank you po, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, mga kabarkada.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Alright, maraming salamat po for having me here for tonight as your event host. Ano po masasabi niyo sa aking hosting for tonight?
So far, so good. Okay naman. Na-entertain naman yung mga tao.
Any recommendations daw po?
Okay, so far, so good. Rate 10 to 10? 10 to 10.
Alright. Maraming salamat po, Sir Charles and Ma'am Pamela. Again, congratulations to both of you. Maraming salamat. Bye! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, kasama ko ang newlywed couple na si Sir Sam at Ma'am Joby. Ma'am, ano po? Kumusta po yung pag-hosting ko? Sir, masaya.
Wala na po. Masaya yung gabi namin. At subscribe na rin po siya sa channel na.
Thank you, Ma'am Sir Joby. Salamat po. Bye!
Job being a host of my daughter's birthday. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Annabelle Rama. Si Annabelle Gabiola, mother ng ating birthday celebrant. Please Rowena Moore.
Thank you po. You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Thank you po. Po, Ma'am Rowena, happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Ano po bang masasabi niya sa ating hosting ngayong gabi?
Number 1, I will guarantee you, manipulating.
Alright, happiest birthday once again sa ating beautiful birthday celebrant with no less than Miss Rowena Moore. Ano po masasabi niyo sa ating occasion for my event hosting for tonight?
Number
Come on.
1. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for our Bala family. Palakpakan dyan. Once again, this is your host for tonight, was Stanley. Palakpakan dyan. Sa lahat ng mga visitors puntang ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po and bye-bye. At this point, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Miss Maricel.
Okay, to Miss
Okay, Sir Shane.
Thank you so much, Stanley. We appreciate you. I always thought, having a live MC, it makes it energetic, and I appreciate all your help, brother. Thank you.
Oh, me too. I'm very thankful and I'm very happy. So it came very beautiful and unexpected. I'm very satisfied with everyone, especially to you, Mr. Stanley, and to Miss Lovey. Lovey, he's not here anymore. Juby, to my friends, for everyone who have come. Your presence means a lot to us. So thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for the newlywed couple. That was once again Shane and Noel Marie, our Mr. and Mrs. Kawi Kapu. A round of applause. And I would like to acknowledge our food and venue for tonight, the Art Hotel, for our beautiful decoration for tonight by AJ Events Planner, for our music coordinator, DJ Gia, for our videographer, Miss Rutsel, for our official photo and videographer for tonight from Sleek Events. Once again, this is your host, Stanley. Palakpakan mo dyan. Tapos, I would like to hear your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting. What is your testimonial or feedback? Take it away, Mommy Michelle.
Sa'yo naman, Stanley, affirmative. Maraming salamat at malaking tulong talaga, especially ngayon. At I recommend you. Kung sino po yung magpapa-MC, contact Stanley, DM na. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. At sa blessing from God na kilala. Thank you.
That was once again Mommy Michelle. And at this point, I would like to acknowledge our venue, the Jupiter Gate Hotel, and for our decoration by AJ Events Planner. Palakpakan. Once again, this is your host, Stanley. Let's say all together, happy birthday, Waylon, come on! Ladies and gentlemen, sa lahat mga bisitang nagsipunta ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Okay, Sir Richie and Mom Jodeline, before we officially close our program, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for the hosting and even for the event coordinator on your wedding ceremony this morning.
Para sa iyo, Stanley, ako'y nagpapasalamat ng mag-asawa. Mula sa umpisa hanggang ngayon, ikaw'y nakasuporta sa amin kahit magulo akong kausap. Ay nandiyan ka, nagpapasalamat kami kasi ikaw yung gumabay sa amin. Kami lubos na, hindi namin ito matatapos o magagawa kung wala ka. Sorry sa maliit ang ulo ko, hindi ako dapat mag-coordinate sa'yo. Pero tandaan mo, hindi ka makakalimutan. Salamat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo. Kasi simula hanggang matapos ng ganyan, yun lang po medyo mahirap namin kasi nga magulo yung sitwasyon natin kasi nga alam mo naman na wala talagang maraming oras, lalo na po isip tayo lahat. Pero sa suporta mo, natapos ng gabi nito hanggang umaga at ito ay para hanggang napupuhay kami, maalala ka namin. Maraming salamat.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again our newlywed couple, our Mr. and Mrs. Velasco. Palakpakan naman dyan! We would like also to say thank you for our food, venue and decoration for tonight, the Marvelous Hall. A round of applause for our official photographer and videography from Sahari Studio on the house. Palakpakan naman dyan. For our music coordinator, Miss Sharon at the back. Palakpakan naman dyan. Sa lahat ng mga bisita na sipunta ngayong gabi, let's say all together. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Velasco. Come on! Sa lahat ng mga bisita na sipunta ngayong gabi, this is your host. For tonight, host is Stanley. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all! Woo! Pali-pali na. Come on. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Mommy May.
Thank you.
hosted Stanley sa pag-host ng birthday and christening ng anak namin. We really appreciate it. Everyone enjoyed. And then, yeah. Thank you, Ate Loretta, sa pag-recommend po kay Stanley. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for this beautiful family, the Car family. Daddy Samir, Mommy May. Once again, sabihin natin bawat isa lahat. Happy birthday, Jadon Mayer. Come on!
Happy birthday, Jadon!
Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Let's party. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Alright, at this point of time, Mommy or Miss Amor Lobriano, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting.
Mr. Stanley, thank you so much. I'm happy at na bigay mo sa akin ng kasiyahan sa araw.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Amor Lobriano, for that wonderful message. A very message acknowledgement to all the participants who came for tonight. Lovely and for me, I would close our program. I would like to acknowledge all our guests and participants who came for tonight. Lovely event. Palakpakan naman dyan. Once again, this is your host for tonight, host is Stanley. Palakpakan naman dyan. We would like to acknowledge our decorator for tonight, the AG Events Planner. Palakpakan naman dyan. For our music coordinator, Sir Gilbert and Sir Julius. Palakpakan naman dyan. To all the people who make this occasion a memorable and a successful one, palakpakan niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Once again, let's say all together, happy birthday, Miss Amor. Come on! Maraming salamat po and God bless us all! Party, party!
Unahin ko na muna pasalamat kay Stanley for doing this hosting. I know na-enjoy kayo lahat and nakita ko din talaga yung energy ni Stanley sa pag-organize and pag-host. And thank you so much, brother.
Next time. So at this point of time, I would like to acknowledge our venue, which is the Volcano Restaurant. Palakpakan mo dyan! For our music coordinator, our DJ on the house, DJ Raul. Palakpakan mo dyan! For our official photographer, videographer for our vlog, we have Sir John. A round of applause. Once again, this is your host is Stanley. Palakpakan naman dyan! Sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta, sabihin natin all together, happy birthday, Zuriel! Come on! And once again, sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Party time! Party time, come on now! Party, party! At this point of time, Daddy Melvin and Mommy Antoinette, I would like to ask your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Daddy Melvin.
Take it away. No, it's okay. Okay naman, masaya talaga. And happy naman, tingin naman, happy naman lahat.
Amen.
Happy ba kayo?
Yes!
Parang hindi. Happy ba kayo?
Yes!
Ako lang talaga hindi happy. Parang ako lang. Hindi, thank you. Thank you so much pag-host mo. And si ano nga pala, si Sir Stanley, recommended siya.
Isabel!
Na mag-host. Sana sa mga susunod na birthday, makita natin din siya. Sa host, sa visitor. Thank you.
Ito na talaga, hindi na magpapakali si Mommy Antoinette. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting?
Hindi, okay, thank you. Supposed to be kasi hindi kami dito, pero dahil nakilala namin si Stanley, dito kami na makapag-rent ng hall. And malaking tulong talaga siya sa lahat, sa program. Kasi wala talaga akong program sa totoo lang. Parang simple birthday celebration lang. So, thank you. Hope to see you soon. Susunod ko lang.
Alright, that was once again a big round of applause once again for this building of this beautiful family, the Antonio family. Palakpakan mo dyan! Let's say all together, happy birthday, Anika. Once again, come on! We would like to Once again, sa lahat ng mga bisitang nagsipunta ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po and God bless us all! Alright, I have with me the lovely and proud parents of Elijah, Benjamin Elijah, Daddy Mike, and Mommy Bendoa. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Mike.
Stanley is a very splendid host. He gives life to the party. He makes sure that everyone else is involved in the party. There's no dull moment for this hosting.
A few words from Mommy Bendoa. Mommy Bendoa.
Thank you for the smooth coordination naging successful itong birthday celebration.
Salamat po and we're gonna say bye-bye!
Bye.
And at this point, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Daddy Anthony.
Hi, Stan, again. As I said, he's really professional guy. I didn't know him. I don't have anything to do with him. Actually, my wife, she found him and she said it would be great if we have a host. I said, yeah, sure, why not? Then my wife showed me some of Stan's videos. Yeah, he's a good man. He's great. He's professional and this day, this night was a proof how professional we're supposed to start 6, but we ended up 7 as Stan's prediction. He has been in this business for quite some time now and he's really, really good in this business. Thank you very much, Stan. Hopefully you will get more clients, your business will prosper, and hope to see you here because I still have now we 2 more daughters.
Alright, thank you so much for the word of wisdom, encouraging words from the loving proud parents, Daddy Anthony and Mommy Margie. I would like also to hear a few words from the lovely Lieutenant.
First and foremost, again, thank you for getting ready to come to this debut despite the circumstances, getting ready, transportation, and of course being here at this late hour. And regarding Stanley's hosting, I believe that if you have any celebrations that you want a host with, this is your guy. Better call Stanley. I say it's not as exaggeration, but genuine comment regarding that he never makes a party boring. Yeah, and and so yeah, thank you to the guests, Stanley, to the staff who prepared all this and the cake and the design, whatnot, and of course, lastly and most importantly, to my parents for financing this debut because we know this is not cheap, and for also preparing everything else while I sit back and look pretty. So yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen, there you have it, our lovely American Miss Hoskina, Trio, Bartley, and the family member, the lovely proud parents, Daddy Anthony, and Mommy Margie. We're just ending the program, ladies and gentlemen. Before that, we would like also to acknowledge our food. And then you, the decorator, the market, your finger, for our Miss Carly, or Sir Stephen, for our photographer, Adele, and for our videographer, no other than the ever beautiful, sitting down there. Sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta ngayong gabi, let's sing all together, Happy Birthday, Austina Juan!
Happy birthday, Sina!
Sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta ngayong gabi, maraming salamat po and God bless us all! Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially close our program, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, pangunahan mo, Aryan.
Thank you for hosting, Kuya Stanley. Thank you so much kasi you made this possible and very engaging. Thank you.
How about for Mommy Marisa?
Thank you, Stan, for being the host. I think they enjoyed everyone, and thank you for assisting me. So, to all of you who's planning na may mga event, you can, I would really recommend Stanley. He's a very hands-on host. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the lovely and proud mother, Mommy Marisa Memorial, and our lovely debutant for tonight. Maraming salamat po, and God bless us all. Miss Ella Sarmiento, before we end our program, I would like to hear your testimonial or feedback regarding for my hosting. Come on.
Actually, I met him in Saka birthday. Tapos, so nagustuhan ko yung hosting niya nung time na yun. So, kasi since last year pa ako nag-decide na magpa-40 birthday talaga. Thank you na lang sa, parang thanks God, yung ano. Tapos yun, so I decided to contact you, di ba? Nagkita tayo. So I decided to contact him and na-follow ko siya sa Facebook, di ba? Na-friends na kami sa Facebook. So nakikita ko yung mga, ano niya, mga event. Thank you.
Once again, my name is Host Stanley. To all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event, maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Daddy Boggs and Mommy Judy, what will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting for your daughters?
All I can say is really brilliant, you know, from the beginning to the end. The passion of being MC for the events is really good. It's really I can't say anything that is any wrong feedback about his performance on this event. And actually, I want to give him, if there is 5 on a 6, I will give him a 6 star like that. Thank you, Mr. Stanley.
Thank you, Stanley. He's a very good host, very professional. The reason why we choose him because he's very respectful and he's very presentable. See, and he's very
brilliant.
Yes, that's the number one, really. And he's very kind and he's very accommodating. He always asks if I need help or he's always very hands-on as well. So very recommendable.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley.
Six star.
6 star.
How about for a lot of them, can be a message of few words?
Thank you, Stanley. You are very awesome and very accommodating, and I love Stanley. Thank you.
I love you too, dear. That was once again the love and proud parents of our lovely Mommy Judy and Daddy Bobs, the Santiago family. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Ladies and gentlemen, I have with me Mr. and Mrs.
And we are really well entertained. So far, it was smooth. So far, so good. If you have any occasions and events, so you can contact Sir Stanley Santos for increase. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful message or feedback for me from my hosting. How about for you, Mama Patricia Buhian?
First of all, I want to say thank you, Stanley, for being our host. It was, you handled it very well, and I know not only the two of us enjoy of this party as well as all the friends and family. And if I'm going to rate him for his, I should say, performance, I would rate him like more than 10 for hosting it well. And that's also if in case that you need a host for your party, you can call or free to contact Mr. Stanley. And I'm sure that your party will be a great and a memorable history of your life. Thank you.
Well, a splendid message coming from our lovely couple for tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Buhian, Jack and Patricia. Sa pong bisita, magpapaalam na po kami. Bye-bye! Persons who came for tonight's lovely event, and at this point, Sir Jeff and Mama Ann, I would like to hear some comments and feedback regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Jeff.
Thank you, Stanley, for hosting our event, special event.
Parang di sila naman sa'yo.
Magaling. Sobrang alive nung
Kaya parang di talaga, sir.
Ganyan talaga siya.
ayun, maraming salamat.
Sobrang hinihin niya kasi.
Ayun. Thank you kasi maganda yung pagkakahost mo kahit sobrang gulo ng mga guests namin. Ay, especially si Trish lang yung pinakamagulo. You made it wonderful. Thank you.
Subis ba tayo? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again our newlywed couple, Jeff and Ann, our Mr. and Mrs. Noguera, who just tied the knot and entered the world of marriage. We would like to acknowledge our food and venue, the Pinoy Turok Umalhasam, and for all the decorations as well. Maraming salamat. To all the participants who came for that lovely event, sabay-sabay natin sabihin once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera. Come on! Our Aunt Bisay, Mama Ladi, and Papa JR, and speaking our birthday celebration, Aya, what will be your comment or feedback, sir, Papa JR, for my hosting? Take it away.
Thank you, first of all. You make us all happy. And those, wala naglag. Huwag lahat masaya. Salamat. Sana maulit.
Well, thank you, Stan. Really, sobrang saya ng party natin tonight. And kita ko naman, nag-enjoy lahat. Naki-celebrate naman din lahat. Nag-enjoy tayo lahat sa party. Really, it's really recommendable. Talagang masaya talaga. Thank you so much for making this party talagang very alive. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again the long and proud parents of our dear Aya, representing you, Mama Ladi and Papa Gino. I have with me the parents of our birthday celebrant, Mike Daniel. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Michael.
Yeah, magaling. Tsaka masaya yung mga bata, yung mga parents ng mga bata. Magaling si Sir. Maraming salamat po.
Naiyak na ako. Meow, meow, meow.
Very approachable, and then sa mga gustong kumuha kay Sir Stanley as a host, i-contact nyo lang po siya. Very affordable at saka very approaching. So, lahat ng request niya, ibibigay niya. And then, willing to help talaga siya. So, just contact him and then he will help you everything. So, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, sir and ma'am. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Ladies and gentlemen, I have with me the parents of our birthday celebrant, Gianna. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy, Jerry.
Jerry, you did a fantastic job.
Really good. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for hosting. It was really enjoyable and valuable thing.
Thank you so much, Stanley. Really enjoyed it tonight. Even it's difficult to control the children, but you did it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We will say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Rexon and Mommy Lovely, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Dasha Alia 7th birthday celebration. What will be your testimonial or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Rexon.
Well, thank you so much, Stanley, for such a very great and amazing performance tonight. And I really, really commend you for being so organized in everything that you do. So thank you. Thank you for having this celebration a success.
You're welcome, Sir Rexon. Alright, maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! Alright, I have with me beside me, Daddy Jimenez, the father of our birthday celebrant. Sir Daddy Jimenez, what will be your message, testimonial, or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away.
Stanley is an amazing host and he has taken the stage on Zoom with my family and friends and he made our birthday very memorable. So I thank you from my heart to Stanley.
Thank you so much, sir, for the compliment. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Sir David Kayan, for choosing and trusting me to be your head host on this amazing occasion. What will be your feedback or testimonial for my hosting?
He's hosting to take to a different level. We are so happy with him. Because of him, we really enjoy it.
So he has filled the crowd together, and it is so nice to have him because we saw him doing that in my friend's daughter's birthday, and we liked his performance, and then we thought we should hire him for this as well. So keep doing a good job, and then we'll come back.
It's so contagious.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
I decided to let you answer properly, Daddy Omar and Mommy Ray. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Omar or Mommy Ray first.
I recommend Stanley for all your events, especially during these occasions. He also hosts weddings, so please contact him. He will put his contact details on below.
How about Daddy Omar? What will be your comment or feedback?
Okay,
Thank you so much, Sir Mommy Ray. Bye-bye, guys. Maraming salamat. Dada Andrew and Mama Evelyn on the house. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Dada Andrew.
Very accommodating, very entertaining, and very enjoyable. So kudos to Sir Stanley for the great showmanship, actually. With the Chanel, pwede ba itong i-bring
Thank you, Sir Stanley, for making our event amazing. Amazing. Thank you.
Welcome po, that was once again the Townsend's family, Dada Andra and Mama Evelyn. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! The Algara family, together with Nanay, Colin, and Tatay Nobel. What will be your message or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Nanay, Colin.
Sobrang saya. Hindi na nakakalimutan. Super thank you.
Sino ang mga
gotta say, this wedding was splendid. It was fantastic. We had a great time. It was very well organized. I love it. All events were great. I'm glad I accidentally sound
Thank you. Alright, good evening. I'm with Sister Marin Cadayo, the Regional Director of Ating Army Bahrain. So what will be your feedback as to our testimonial regarding our hosting? Alright, thank you,
Masaya kasi nag-enjoy kami. Thank you so much. So, hindi ako magkamali to find you in Facebook. So, if you need anything, hosting, so, Stanley will give you a fun and enjoyable event. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you po, Ma'am Marian. Salamat sa trust. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Adam and Mommy Charlene, for having me here for tonight as your event host. What can you say for my hosting? Take it away.
So much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stanley, for making our celebration so lively, and all the guests participates also, and thank you so much. Napakasaya po ng birthday.
Thank you. Alright, once again, good evening to each and everyone. I'm with the Sena family together with Daddy Ryan and Mommy Jen, and we are celebrating for the 7 years Give Up Life for Hannah. So what will be your message, your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Ryan.
By the way, thank you, Stanley, for this amazing event. So you organized everything and you show you're very professional in everything that you do. So thank you for making this event a success.
Yeah, so thank you so much for hosting our daughter's 7th birthday celebration. We recommend everyone, if you are planning to have a event or celebration, please contact him because he's really amazing when it comes to hosting. And thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Sugan, Mommy Pooja, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Ryan's first birthday celebration. What will be your message regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Sugan. Come on.
So Stanley's been a very good host, and it's a pleasure to have you here. The families are really happy to have enjoyed this evening, and I'm sure a lot of people would want to have you in their function. Personally talk to them. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, Daddy Sugan. It's a pleasure. How about for you, Mommy Pooja? What can you say for my hosting? Take it away. Come on.
I just feel good. We are like the hosting. I gave the essence to the entire party. We are thankful that we could meet you as a Middleton family.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Adrian Boas as we celebrate for the 2nd year Give Life. 2 years of existence for tonight. A lovely occasion. Take it away, Daddy Adrian.
Alright. First of all, thank you for coming. Thank you for making this event happen. Especially, I would like to give my thanks to our host for today, Mr. Stanley, for making our event very lively and fun.
Adding sizzle to the games.
Yes, and thank you so much. Thank you for our pastor. Thank you for the Ninong and Ninangs who came today, even though it's late already. Thank you so much for making an effort, for showing. Thank you, Lord, for this lovely event.
We'll make sure that we will refer you
Yes.
to our friends and family. Thank you
Alright.
so much.
Thank you, Stanley,
It's
for
really
making this
fun.
event very lively.
Alright, it's an honor to be your host in this amazing occasion, and I would like to take this opportunity for having me here for tonight as your event host. Many once again, this is Stanley Santos. We would like also to say thank you for our guests here for tonight. A lovely event. Yun na po. And then, maraming salamat po na sa lahat ng mag-visit na magsipunta. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Salamat sa mga is a very good host. We enjoyed a lot, and the energy that he's giving in the show is like fantastic. So it's recommendable for everyone. So sa mga mommies and daddies dyan na yung mga kids nyo nag-enjoy, what are you waiting for? Book your slot now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy Jason. Sa kanya, Mommy Jen.
Any feedback or testimonial regarding from my hosting?
Very thankful kami na agad ka. Maganda yung sa'yo na pasaya. Yun lang, thank you so much, Stanley.
Thank you so much, sir.
Si Stanley, he's a very... Sabihin ko ba? Very accommodating host. Like super busy, and he tries to help you in other way kahit di lang sa hosting. He checks everything and mas consistent pa siya sa pagpa-follow up. Yun, he's very helpful. Now we're recommending Stanley as your host for your next event.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again the loving and proud parents of Zion and Messiah. Big round of applause for Daddy John and Mommy Janine, the Delibes family. To all the participants who came for tonight, love your event. Let's say all together. Happy birthday, Zion and Messiah. Come on! Happy birthday, sa lahat ng mga bisitang nagsisita ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po at ingat pa sa pag-uwi. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, representing the family of Sir Legit, Mommy Pergincia, Daddy Legit, and our birthday celebrant, Anea. So what will be your comment, feedback regarding from my hosting? Take it away, Sir Daddy Legit. Come on.
It was so nice experience, Stanley. It was everyone enjoyed. All the feedback from the guests was so this was energetic. Kids have really enjoyed. No words. Thank you so much, and I really recommend show you for.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Stanley. Thank you.
That's enough. Okay. Thumbs up. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me as your event host, for choosing and trusting Stanley Santos as your event host. What is your feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Sir Daddy George.
Very professional. Even there is a problem from the technical problem from the sound system, but still the show must go on. And thank you so much for being a professional and being talented. I hope that a lot of works will come. And trusting you as a host, it's not beyond the host also, you're a family. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ma'am, take it away. Mommy
Thank
Mommy
you so
George.
much,
Mommy George. Mommy May.
Thank you so much for making this my daughter 7th birthday na pinapanganit niya ever since you make it lively. But even there are so many things happen, but still you make the event alive.
Oh,
So,
wala naman po.
yeah, maraming salamat.
Salamat po, Mami. Sir Daddy. Alright, salamat po sa lahat. Bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Al and Mommy Janisa, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Ali Al Jr. first year Give Live, first year of existence. What will be your message, testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Al. Come on.
No, salamat dahil pinasaya mo yung celebration na to.
Palit na bagay, sir.
Ano? Palit lang. Hindi, totoo. Kung wala ka, siguro hindi magiging
boring yung event.
Sige, gagawin natin boring, sir.
Oo.
At saka thankful ako from the start at hanggang ngayon, nag-a-assist ka, hands-on ka talaga. So, highly recommended. Ang ganda ng paghawak mo sa event. So, nag-enjoy lahat, hindi boring. Saka, thumbs up.
Salamat po sa thumbs up. Salamat po once again, Daddy Al, Mommy Janisa, for having me here for tonight. Wish you all the best things in life and for your son as we celebrate for his first birthday celebration. Bye-bye po. Salamat sa lahat. Bye. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Ian and Mommy Ronnie for inviting and choosing me to be your event host
On this momentous event, as we celebrate for St. Gabriel, his first birthday, birthday celebration. What will be your testimonial, your comment regarding your hosting? Take it away.
Napakaganda, napaka-malinis, maayos yung pag-MC ng ating kaibigan.
Yes.
Approved.
Grade 1 to 10, 20.
Oh, thank you po, Daddy
Thank you so
Ian, Mommy Rona.
Before we're going to end this, I would like to give my special thanks to our very handsome host for tonight, Mr. Stanley. Very, very good host. And then I'm very thankful to you, Daniel. You give this party a life and very energy. The room is full of energy, and I know I will recommend you to everyone that want to have a birthday party or any celebration or occasion, because I know the party will be successfully end like this way. Because you are a very good host, and I know how you deal with the visitors, everything. Thank you so much to make it perfect tonight. Thank you. Yes, please follow or subscribe his YouTube channel.
It's time to work out, Mommy.
Yes, please follow also his Facebook page.
Facebook page is Stanley Santos.
Ayan. So please, and thank you so much, Mr. Stanley, for tonight. You make this party very, 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 very happy. And I'm so happy also because I know behind the scenes I have a very big problem in the Philippines, but tonight I want to forget everything and make this birthday celebration happy. And because of you, this make this perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Stanley. Parang hindi ko makanta yung English ni Madam. Well, I think it is, you're welcome, most welcome, and it's an honor and privilege to be your host on this amazing occasion as we celebrate for Marian and Mary, amazing occasion for birthday celebration. Maraming salamat po, Daddy Amber and Mommy Christine Choi, sa lahat ng mga bisita. Salamat, bye!
Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Kasama ko ang ating birthday celebrant na si Yana at ang kanyang mother, beautiful mother na si Mommy Lourdes. So, what can you say for my hosting na?
Okay na, incredible. Incredible daw.
Incredible, thank you dear.
Masaya naman ito. Incredible. Recommended ko si Sir. Hello po.
Alright, salamat guys. Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank you po sa AG Events Planner. Alright, thank you Stanley. Salamat mga barkada. Bye. Alright, thank you so much, Mommy Grace and Daddy Muhammad, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Yasmin's first birthday celebration. What will be your message or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Muhammad.
Actually, he was amazing. He was very great. I like his performance and the way he forced everyone to attend to the party and everything is amazing.
Thank you, Sir Muhammad. How about for you, Mommy Grace? Take it away, come on.
For me, it's really highly recommended. Stanley, first of all, before the event, he helped me a lot. Everything. Thank you so much. And really, your host is really totally extremely amazing that they can be recommended to everyone that wants to have it's an excellent host like Stanley. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Daddy Muhammad and Mommy Grace, for having me here for tonight in this amazing occasion. Maraming salamat po and bye-bye!
And my name is Stanley Santos. Let's say all together, happy birthday, Jason. 1, 2, 3, come on. We would like to say thank you for our venue for tonight, Alliance Suites Spirit Exhibition, for our music coordinator, Sir Dante, for our official photographer, Sir Jesse, for our beautiful decoration for tonight, AG Events Planner, to all the participants who came for tonight, a lovely event. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. At this point of time, I would like to ask your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Daddy Mark.
50% discount muna.
once again, what will be your feedback or comment regarding for my hosting? Take it away, come on.
Awesome! Talaga! No, very happy and very happy for that. Favorite ko na host to eh. Diba? Favorite ko kasi masaya yung party na nakaka-host. So, thank you.
Thank you po. Happy birthday po.
Thank you also for Stanley, you know. Thank you so much for hosting this event. I'm really thankful. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Mary Lois Valdez. Yeah, it's an honor and privilege to be here as we celebrate for your 18 years of life, 18 years of existence for tonight, amazing occasion. And I would like to take this opportunity for having me here for tonight as your event host. My name once again is Stanley Santos. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin once again, happy 18th birthday, Neri, in 1, 2, 3, come on! We would like also to say thank you for our venue for tonight, Olaya Suites Hotel here in Exhibition. For our official photographer, we have Mr. Mark. We also have our official DJ, music coordinator, DJ Dance. For our beautiful decoration for tonight, our decorators, Valdez family. To all the participants who came for tonight, lovely event. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all.